Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix touchpad not working on your laptop. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what I always suggest to do here is to press Fn key and the button that basically have a touchpad picture here. And basically what it does, when you press Fn and that particular key, you can disable touchpad and then enable it. So maybe on accident you disabled that basically touchpad with this shortcut, so you just need to press Fn and that particular button that you have a touchpad on, right? And if there is no button here, what is just to do here is to just Google out and what in your specific model what you need to press. Okay, so this is the first solution. The next thing what we need to do here is to go on search, go to settings, of course connect external mouse or something like that, because you won't able to access without the touchpad. Then go to Bluetooth and devices, then you need to look for touchpad here. Then here make sure touchpad is on and expand this option, and also make sure leave touchpad on when a mouse is connected is on as well. Next thing what we need to do here is to go to device manager. Go to device manager, then you should see here human interface devices. You just need to press on it and then you need to look for touchpad. So in my particular case, HYD compliant touchpad, right click on it, update driver, browse my computer for drivers, let me pick from a list, and then select your driver, hit next, and update your driver, restart your computer, and your issue should be solved. That's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.